Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see the code of the insertion sort. How we can implement the logic of the insertion sort by using the Java programming language. Here I have taken the one unsorted array. The elements which are present in the array are 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, which is the unsorted array. We need to sort this array by using the insertion sort. If you don't know the logic of the insertion sort, I have explained it in the previous video. You can watch that video and then come to this video and see the code of this insertion sort. So first of all, we will start our for loop from the I equals 1. I am starting this loop from the one element, that is first index. In the array, the index is always start from the 0. This 5 is on the 0th index and this 4 is on the first index. So I will explain why I have started to look from the first index in the I will dry run this code after the writing the code. So I is equals to 1, I should be less than the array length. So array length and I should be plus plus. So after that in current, my current, what is my current element will be ARR of I. This is my current element. First element, which is my current element, and previous element. So my previous element is the I minus. I will not store the element now. I will store the index. That is I minus 1. Previous is my I minus 1 always. So after that, I will start my while loop while my previous is greater than equals to 0 and my ARR of previous element is greater than current. So while my previous element is greater than current, what will I do? I will replace that element, or you can say swap the elements. So I will swap the elements ARR of previous plus 1 equals to my current element. Sorry, my ARR of previous element. Okay, and I will decrease the previous by the 1. So the previous minus minus, and after that I will put this element on the front. So previous plus 1 ARR of previous plus 1. Okay, so previous plus 1 equals to my current element. Current. So this is our code for the insertion sort. I will run this code on the this. So I will run this code. If I will run, the output will not be shown. So I will make the print for printing the array. I equals to 0. I should return ARR dot length. This is for the printing the array, not for it is not for the insertion sort. So I plus plus and system dot ARR of I, and I will give the some space in between the elements so you can see that. So I will run this code and what is this saying? Error interface class. So okay, I have taken it. Hmm. I have taken too much curly braces. So this is for the for loop. Uh, this okay, thus who should be in the next of for loop. So if I now run this code, it is still showing me the error on the current. So this is current. CU double. So typing mistake. So this is our sorted array. In here, the sorted array comes. What we have done is that we have started our loop from the first element, not from the zeroth element. So our first element is 4. So in the current, we have stored our 4 element. Okay, after that, we have in the previous, we have stored the index of the previous element, that is I minus 1, which is equals to 0. In my previous, 0 is stored as an index. Okay, so after that, I have run the while loop while my previous is greater than equals to 0 and my ARR of previous is greater than my current element. When whenever my previous element, that is this 5, is greater than my current element, that is 4, 5 is greater than 4. So the this while loop will be executed for the first time. So this 4 will be replaced by the 5. That is here will become as I will here 5 comma 5 will come. Okay, and the whole array will be as it is. So 1, 3, 2. Okay, after that, previous minus minus. So when previous is minus minus, my previous is 0, but previous minus minus over the previous gone to the minus 1. So that's why I have increased this previous as previous plus 1. So on the zeroth index, I can put this current element. What is my current element? ARR of first. That is this 4. What will be happen is it will be equals to 4. And this will be happen in the very first loop. This. Okay. After that, it will increase the loop by the 1. I equals to 2. That is 1. So after that, my current element will be 1. My previous will be 1. So this loop will be also executed two times. Why two times? One is, oh, sorry, 4 is greater than 1 and 5 is also greater than 1. So that's why this loop will be executed two times. I will explain the no, this code in the this dry run. We will dry run this code. Okay. So first of all, my loop is started from this index. Okay. So I have started the loop from the first index. So here is 5 and here is 4. Okay. So in the first step, I have started the loop from the uh, first element, that is from the 4. After that, what happened? My current is equals to my current. I will write it as current is equals to now my 4 element. Okay. And my previous is equals to my previous is equals to my I minus 1. That is 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. My previous is equals to 0. After that, what happens? We have run the while loop. That is this while loop. Okay, in this while loop, what happened? My previous is greater than equals to 0. Yes, my previous is equals to 0. The condition is true. And my ARR of previous, that is 5. 5 is greater than my current. That is my 5 is greater than my 4 element. So my fifth 5, this 5 is greater than 4. So what will happen? In the ARR of previous plus 1, we will replace this previous plus 1 with the previous. That is my previous plus 1, that is 4. My 4 will be replaced by the 5. Okay. So here it will come as 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. Okay. After that, 4 is replaced by the 5, and now our while loop will be exit because my previous is minus 1, that is decreased by the 1. So it will be equals to minus 1. So what is the condition? Previous should be greater than or equals to 0, but my previous is gone to the minus 1, which is the false condition. So we will exit from this loop and come to on this condition. ARR of previous plus 1 is equals to current. What is my previous? Previous is my previous is minus 1. Okay. So my ARR of previous plus 1, that is ARR of 1, sorry, 0. My 0 will be replaced by zeroth element will be replaced by the my current element. What is my current element? Which is 4. My 4 4 element, and here is 5, 1, 3, 2. Sorry, here I have forget to replace the element. So here the 5 will come here, and here also the 5. Okay, no problem. And now this zeroth element, zeroth element is replaced by my current element. Okay. So after that, what will happen? Now we will update our current element. Okay. What will be my current element? My current element will be now for 1. Okay. My current element will be 1. And my previous, that is I minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. Now what we will do? Is my previous is greater than equals to 0? Yes, my previous is greater than equals to 0. First condition is true. And my previous, that is this 4, sorry, this 5. Okay, now this is the updated array. 5 is greater than 1. The condition is true. So I will replace this 5, 1 by the 5. So my array will be like this. 5, 4, 5. Okay, and 3, 2. My array will be look like this because I have replaced the first uh, one with the 5. Okay, and my previous is decreases by 1 previous. Okay, now this will be equals to 0, and my current will be equals to 1. Is my previous now previous is greater than equals to 0? Okay, and is my previous, that is my ARR of previous is greater than 1. This is my now previous. Zeroth element is greater than 1. Yes, my 1 is always greater than, my 4 is always greater than 1. So we will replace this 4 by the, so this 5, that is, here will be 4, here will be also 4, here will be 5. Now we have replaced the 4, sorry, 5. So we have replaced 5 with the 4. 5 with 4. Okay. So this is the glitch which I have. Okay. So 4, 4, 5, 3, 2. Okay. That's no problem. And my previous will be decreases by the 1. And my previous is now equals to minus 1. So first condition will be false and we will exit from the while loop. Now we will update the ARR of previous, that is 0. ARR of 0 will be replaced by the current element. What is my current element? Which is equals to 1. So 0 element will be replaced by the 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. Okay. Now we will update the for loop, which we will be increased and will come to 3. And we will also update our current element. So I will replace this. uh, So yeah, it's some glitch from the site. Uh, Not to worry about it. I have taken too much time off. Too much time. Okay, I have cleaned this one now. I hope this will be visible to you. Okay, now my current will be 3 and my previous will be equals to what is my index? I 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Okay, so this is my now updated array. Okay, so what will I do? We will enter in the while loop. Is my 3 greater than 5? So first of all, the previous condition will be checked. My 2 is greater than equals to 0 and 5 is greater than 3. So we will update this 5, replace this 3 by the 5. That means this will be equals to 1, 4, 5 and 5. Okay. And then 2. Then 2. Okay. So after that, my previous will be decreases by the 1. So previous is decreases, which is equals to now 1. So my previous is greater than equals to 0. First condition is true. Second condition is my previous, that is this 4 is greater than my current element. Yes, 4 is greater than 3. So we will update this 4 by the, it will be equals to 1. Then it will be it will be replaced 4 and 4 and 4 and 5 and then 2. And another condition will be checked, that is my previous, now previous is come to 0 because it is decreases. Is my first element, that is what this element is greater than 3? No, here will be our condition will be false and we will exit from the loop. So after that, we will previous plus 1. That is, what is my previous? Previous is 0. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So in the first index, we will put our current element. That is this 3. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 2. Now our last step is to our last step now. So we will update our I to the uh, that is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. This is this is our 0, this is our 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our fourth index. I equals to now 4. My current will be equals to 2. My previous will be equals to 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. So we will update the our is my previous greater than equals to 0? Yes, my previous is greater than equals to 0. And my previous plus 1, sorry, Yes, previous plus 1 is greater than current element. This element 5 is greater than my current element. So I will update this 1, 3. Okay. Uh, this is our the is 4, 5, and 5. Okay. So we will decrease our previous to the 2 is my second element. The index second. The element on the second index is greater than my current element. 4 is greater than 2. So we will update the array 1, 3, that 1, 3, 4, 4, and 5. My previous will be decreased. It will be equals to 1. 1 is greater than equals to 0. Is my 3 element is greater than equals to is greater than current element? Yes. 3 is greater than 2. So we will also update to the 3, 3, 4, and 5. Sorry. And this is the bleach. I will write it here. Okay, 1, 3, it's two lag. 1, 3, 3, 4, and 5. Now my previous will be decreased by the 1 and it will be equals to 0. And the condition will be checked. My previous is greater than equals to 0. Yes. And my previous this element is greater than equals is greater than current. 1 is not greater than 2. So this will be executed from the for while loop. And we will update previous plus 1, that is 3. So I will write here 1, and this 3 will be replaced with my current. So here will become 2, here will be 3, here will be 4, and here will become 5. This is how our code is running. I had try run this code on this whiteboard, and this is too lagging website. Yeah, sorry for that, and the video is too long because I have taken and my laptop charger is also less. So I will stop here my video, and in the upcoming video we will see the bubble sort uh, implementation by using the Java language also. So don't worry, I will cover all the sorting algorithm with the code. This is our sorted array now. What is our unsorted array and this is our sorted array. Okay, this is our unsorted array. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.